If you've inherited a property in Worthington, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in Worthington, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been buying inherited properties and buying probate properties in and around Worthington, Ohio. People like working with us because we're going to keep it very simple from beginning to end. When you're dealing with some type of inheritance situation or a probate situation, chances are there's already a lot going on when it comes to paperwork and attorneys and courts, and it could be any number of things. So the last thing that we're here to do is add to the confusion or add to the complexity of the situation. We're here to keep it simple, and we do that by buying the property in its true as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to put any money into the property, you don't need to fix anything up, you don't need to haul anything away or anything like that. The conversation with you, the person who inherited the property in Worthington, is very simple. You basically tell us what you want out of the property, any belongings or family heirlooms or collectibles, or you could take anything that you want out of the property, anything that you just don't want or don't need. You don't need to pay someone to haul it off. We're going to buy the property in its true as-is condition. People appreciate that. And this is not a traditional type of buyer. People prefer this over a traditional buyer who's using some type of mortgage that they got to qualify for, and they're using some type of lender where, you know, they got to send out a formal appraisal, they got to do formal inspections, they maybe want you to put work into the property before they'll close, you got to jump through hoops, you got to close on the lender's timeline. When you work with us, we're a true cash buyer, you're going to close on your timeline. So, and there's no commissions or fees that you need to pay. A traditional buyer who's working with a real estate agent or listing the property and working with a real estate agent, you got to pay commissions and fees. With us, there's not going to be any commissions or fees or hidden costs whatsoever. We're going to buy the property in its as-is condition, and we're going to close on your timeline. And that's very important, but often overlooked. If you need to close quickly, we can move fast. We don't need to wait on any outside approvals. Or if you need more flexibility, you tell us when you want to close. That's perfectly fine. We can provide speed or flexibility, whatever it is that you're needing. The ball is in your court from beginning to end. So you can have peace of mind knowing that we're local, we are right down the street, and we're not working out of some call center outside of Ohio or outside of the country or anything like that. We've been around for over 14 years, hundreds of references and positive testimonials, and we'd love the opportunity to speak to you as well. So when you call us at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com, the conversation is very simple, the conversation is very transparent and authentic. This isn't sales gimmicks or tactics or fake urgency or pressure. This is very simple. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. If the offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. You're going to love working with us. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. There's no pressure. We can simply shake hands and part as friends. So if you've inherited a property in Obetz, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in or around Obetz, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave, and I look forward to working with you.